CUE-based FACT for Cisco SIP phones allows regulating the types of calls that certain users can place, forces the user to enter a valid authorization code on the phone before the call completes. The application uses the same FACT codes generated for Cisco's FACT application. A separate route pattern without Cisco FACT needs to be configured for the SIP phones, and the gateway configured for this route pattern should be the CUE server. The route pattern for the SCCP FACT enabled phone will be separate from the SIP FACT enabled phone on which Parsec FACT application is configured. A sample configuration in the call manager configured for the sample is as shown. So here what we are showing are the two route patterns that needs to be configured. The route pattern to dial the numbers starts with 7 in this example. Here this route pattern is for CUE-CAM to CUAE for FACT, and the second route pattern configured is CUAE to CUCM for FACT. Route pattern which is 7.19 is used for the user while the user is dialing out a number, and the second route pattern is used by the application to dial out the number from CUE to CUCM and finally to the PSTN. The sample FACT code configured out here is shown out here to you. There's a Parsec FACT, and the authorization code number is 4 times 1, that is 1111, and the authorization level is 20. In this sample demonstration we are showing you the FACT code authorization only for authorization code level. Authorization level has not been incorporated. It can be incorporated in a later stage of the application. Now what you see in front of you is a Cisco 9971 SIP phone. Now we have configured Parsec's FACT code application in this phone. Now whenever a user dials out a number through this phone, Parsec's FACT code authorization application gets initiated automatically. I am just dialing out a number based on the route pattern which we have already explained, starting with 7. So as you see, I just dial out a number. The moment I dial out, Parsec's FACT code application gets initiated automatically. Here I am entering the number, the FACT code which I had shown you earlier. It is 1111, which is a valid FACT code. The moment I dial it out, here right now the application is validating with the FACT code in the call manager, and there you see, since it's a valid FACT code entered, the number gets dialed out. Here you can see in this particular mobile number. So this call is coming in from this particular phone. So I am answering the call. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. So this is a demonstration. So now, as soon as you disconnect, the call gets disconnected. Now we are showing you one more test case where here we will enter a wrong FACT code. So I enter 1 2 3 4. I press OK. The application validates and finds that it's an incorrect FACT code. Hence, it goes back. I have dialed the number once again. I don't enter any FACT code. I simply say OK. Again, it says incorrect authorization code entered. I try to dial it once again. On click of the soft key button, the way FACT code application of Cisco works, it disconnects. I try to dial it once again, and then just click the disconnect button on the phone. So here you see The application is working exactly the way a fact code application of Cisco which it works. That's all. Thanks.